Hi there. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize this beautiful 5-layer shadow box in Cricut Design Space. The steps are very similar in other cutting software too. The download includes the full alphabet from A to Z. For this tutorial, I'll be working with the letter S, but the same process applies to any letter. Once you upload the SVG file, you'll see all the layers listed on the right-hand panel. Let's start by ungrouping the design. Next, add the text you'd like to personalize. I'll use the name Sharon. Choose your favorite font. I'm using Rye from Google Fonts. It's free to download. I place the text between the curved lines. The font size I'm using here is 100. Now go to the Curve tool and apply a value of 7. This might vary depending on your chosen font and the look you want to achieve. Then I reduce the letter spacing using the letter space option in Cricut Design Space. Another important step: select both the letter and the name, then align them horizontally centered. I zoom in to make sure each letter touches the curved edges properly. If needed, you can use other tools too. For example, when the name is long, I sometimes unlock the text by clicking the lock icon and stretch it slightly, or ungroup the letters to adjust them individually. Once the name is perfectly placed, select both the letter and the text and click Weld. If you're happy with the result, go ahead and continue. If not, just hit undo and make your adjustments. Now let me show you what the customized template looks like. You can use your favorite color palette. I'll just change the name layer I customized to white for this example. Click Make It. There are 5 layers to cut. I recommend using 80 pounds cardstock and selecting the setting cardstock for intricate cuts. These shadow box layers are designed for an 8x8-inch frame. You can resize the file to fit other square frames. Just adjust one side, and the other will scale automatically. Make sure to do this before ungrouping the file. Be careful not to shrink the size too much, as it may make the cuts overly detailed and hard to manage. Once you've cut all 5 layers, your project is ready to go into your favorite shadow box frame. Please note, this download does not include a frame. I also have a separate project to make an 8x8 shadow box frame, and I'll leave the links to that and the full alphabet set in the description below. This shadow box makes a beautiful gift for any occasion. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you sticking around to the end. Don't forget to follow us and turn on notifications to keep learning how to create beautiful projects with your cutting machine. We're Exodus 31 Designs on all social media.